Would you like to learn how to move your arms and hands gracefully? Stay in this video because I'm gonna share with you an amazing trick. Hello, my name is Zaida Palma from DANCEPANDEMIC.com, and as I told you before, I'm going to teach you how to do this graceful movement. So, basically, you have to hold on your fingers like this, hold your fingers, and go up and down with your wrists, okay, without moving your fingers. Don't get frustrated, this is not an easy movement to do at all, okay? So once you get this movement, I suggest you to liberate a little bit your fingers, so instead of holding them like the whole of them, you just touch a little bit your fingertips and you go up and down. And once you get this, remember you're going up and down with your wrists, not with your elbows. You just touch your fingertips as a reference and you still go up and down with your wrists. Once you get this movement, please go to the beginning of this video, play it again and practice with the other hand. First, holding the whole fingers, like first of all holding your fingers, second just your fingertips, and third just putting your fingertips on a surface and going always up and down. Then after you have practiced with both hands, I would like you to practice with your fingers on here, okay, just going up and down with your wrists, trying not to move your fingertips. And once you master this movement with your wrists, then it's time to move on and to let your fingers move a little bit and to express things with them. So you can just play with your fingers and with your hands, but notice how your wrists are the integral parts of the movement here. So please don't get frustrated. Keep on practicing. This is not an easy movement at all. If you have found this video useful, you might be interested in my online workshop, Arms and Hands for Belly Dance. Please follow the link below and subscribe because you want to be the first to know when it becomes live. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.